Tired of guessing how many scoops or teaspoons of coffee to use? One extra scoop and it's bitter. Too little and it tastes like sad bean water. Let's fix that. Welcome to Mocha Mornings. Today I'm giving you the easy way to measure your coffee using nothing but a regular spoon. No fancy ratios, no scales, just real talk. Here's the short version. Use 1 heaping teaspoon of ground coffee for every 3 to 4 ounces of water. That's about 2 teaspoons for a small cup, 4 teaspoons for a 12-ounce mug, and around 10 teaspoons for a full coffee pot. Easy, right? Now, if you want it stronger, just add an extra teaspoon or two. If it tastes too bold, take one away next time. Coffee is flexible. You can adjust it to match your taste. Let's break it down by brew method. For drip coffee, use about 1 teaspoon for every 3 ounces of water. French press, you'll want a little more, about 1 teaspoon for every 2.5 ounces. Cold brew, use a lot more, around 1 teaspoon per ounce of water, because you'll be diluting it later. Pour over, stick to the drip coffee rule, but feel free to test. Got no clue how many ounces your cup holds? Here's a quick cheat. If it's the size of a normal mug, that's about 12 ounces. Use 4 heaping teaspoons. You'll be golden. Let's talk mistakes real quick. Weak coffee usually means too little grounds. Bitter coffee usually means too many. And if your coffee tastes off, you probably used the wrong grind size. Also, don't reuse coffee grounds. That second cup is just sadness in a mug. If this sounds like a lot to remember, don't worry. Start with this. 1 teaspoon per 3 ounces of water. That's it. Everything else you can adjust from there. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense coffee tips. And check out the blog post in the description for a printable chart, pro tips, and more ways to brew better coffee. This has been Mocha Mornings. See you in the next one.